Hello everyone, we will make a competition video about the tools in the laboratory. My name is Citra Amanda, NIM Q101-24002.
My name is Darniati, NIM Q121-24003.
My name is Yusti, NIM K1A1-24012.
Wow, there are so many tools here. Let's go through them one by one.
Great, let's start with the baker.
I know, because it is also to help and mix liquid regard.
Correct, it can also be used for heating, but we have to be careful so it does break.
What about a flake? What is the difference?
It's similar, but it has a nerve next. It's safer for mixed solutions.
A flash is also often used for reaction that produce gas.
Oh, that's why it's shaped like that, so the gas does escape too quickly.
Actually, the highway there's the Engelmeyer forms, which is specifically the gas for gas reactions.
What about a stock? What is for?
It's for reaction in small quantities, usually is used for preliminary tests before a larger experiment.
Database can also be hard, but we sold as either to hold for selfie.
Okay, and what about a pipette? What it used for?
A pipette is for taking small amounts of liquid with high precision.
There are manual and automotive pipettes. The atom on is more actually.
So if we need to measure an exact volume, we should use an automatic pipette.
Exactly.
Oh, I see. I grade C cylinder here.
They use to measure liquid volume more precisely than a beaker.
So if we need precise measurement, we should use the instead of a beaker.
Yes, because it provides more accurately readings. No list talk about things because be marked.
Yeah, it is the main heating tool in the lab.
How do we turn it on?
It as gas we have to be careful not to get burned.
Can we adjust the flame?
Yes, I with net I hit temperature with just an under are found.
Okay, what about the hot plate?
It is also used for heating, but it runs on electric. It is safer than an open flame.
So if we need stable heating, a hot plate is better.
Actually, an if is also I vegan sitter, I can start automatically too.
Oh, so we don't have to steer manually with steering art.
Right, we just place a small magnet in the liquid and it stirs itself.
How do ways with master temperature?
With a thermometer is essential for ensuring the solution does not overheat.
There are digital and analog ones, right?
Correct. Digital thermometer give water resistance.
What if we need to measure the weight of substance?
We use a weighing scale.
There are general on and heavily person on. I will read dogen everything because me we need a very asser scale.
What happens if we measure incorrectly?
Direction may fail or the result won't match the theory.
We will have to be very precise.
Here a spatula, what is used for?
It used to scoop solid substance like powder or crystal.
We solid as our hands. After this, it called complete the substance.
Got it. What about a mortar and pestle?
That used for grinding substance into smaller particles.
Thus, as for getting substance into smaller particles.
Oh, so that why is common in pharmaceutical labs too?
Yes, it used for grinding main ingredients.
If I better, why don't we have a blender in the lab?
Sometimes it used for extraction. It can also make solution more evenly.
So it's not used for making smoothies.
Ha ha ha, there will me not.
What about a dropper? It's similar to a pipette.
Similar, but a dropper is simpler. It's used to take small amounts of liquid drop by drop.
Also in as for regards the not to be done in time amounts.
Okay, what if we need to filter a salutation?
We use filter paper and funnel.
We can also ask a bizarre funnel in way with walking flotation.
What the difference?
The Wagner funnel uses vacuum pressure, so filtration is faster.
Is after us the two parents precipitate quickly.
Wow, laboratory equipment is really diverse.
Yeah, H2 has a specific function.
IVS, the word solve it can be diggers or riggers the experiment.
That's why we need to fully understand them before using them.
A great way should use any equipment without knowing how it works.
So, are we ready to start the experiment now?
Absolutely.
Let's do it.
Okay, but let's take carpal.
Okay guys, thank you for listening and watching. See you next time.